Alrighty, welcome back to another video. We're going to do a keyboard testing on my gradient rib that I just built in the previous video. It's a brand new one that I just built. So we're just gonna, test out, make sure keycaps are good, switches are good, nothing need to be fixed. But if there's an issues, we're gonna replace it, fix the switches and stuff like that. And also we'll do the type test at the end. So yeah, I won't be talking as much in this kind of video because I want to give the full ASMR experience, the sound of everything. So I'll stay quiet and also focus on doing the thing as well. But yeah, this would be kind of the idea. So let's start this with. Oh, hold on. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so print screen work. So that's a print there. Did I have print under? I have to look. Okay, yes. The lightning sometime I can't really see. So that's delete. Perfect. That's page up. That's page down. So these are page up and down. I don't know what button this one is. Okay, let's go and replace these. So this is page up and down. Does that have a volume in here? So for some reason, I just have a hard time remember all the keyboard layout still. So we'll get there. So this is a function key. Okay. So far, actually these switches, like the thing are really sturdy. I did not have any issue. No switches are bent. Perfect. So the only two key you need to switch out is just the top there. So page up and page down. Well, maybe that one stopped working. Hold on. Let me take a look at this. May not, yeah, because it's not mute. Take a look and see. Yeah, okay, so this one did got bent. So that's insert. There we go. That's like, perfect. This one doesn't work. I wonder if fix this too. Take a look. Doesn't hurt. is a function key, so it should be fine. Okay, so that's all right then. Nothing, just make sure. For some reason this doesn't have a function option. I need to find a better one. All right. I'm just struggling to make him put close. Hey, sure. No plastic, baby. Hey, Gmmk. You wanna come up? You come up? Okay. Let's do a test. Okay, so my average doesn't matter what side of keyboard. Average type is 47 with 97. Oh, sorry, 40. Oh my god, I can talk. 70 some word per minute, and definitely 90 some accuracy. Yeah. This. I hope you guys like the video. This is a. Oh. I keep freezing. Okay, hope you guys like the video. If you like it, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'd really appreciate it. This video definitely short, but yeah, definitely leave a comment. You like it, you hate it, you love it, whatever. Suggestions, anything, leave a comment. Yeah, like and subscribe the video, and hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed the sound of this keyboard that I just finished. The color, red gradient. I'll think about naming it with the title. So yeah, alrighty. You guys have an amazing time. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.